Hey guys, Jason Hill here, and today we are making chicken al carbon on the grill. And don't forget, if you're liking these videos, like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time we make a new video. You know, here in Southern California, chicken al carbon is one of the favorite street taco fillings. You basically take a whole chicken, season it, roast it over a fire grill, and then when you're done, you cut it up into bite-sized pieces, top it on a corn tortilla with onion, cilantro, and a little lime wedge. So good. Okay, to begin, I'm starting with a 5-pound chicken. Got it breast side down, and we got to cut out this backbone. There's a couple ways you can do it. You can use kitchen shears like I am, or you can stand it up and go down each side with your sharp chef knife. You want to start at the neck and just go all the way down to the tail. It's a little tricky, but it can be done. Oh, I love these new kitchen shears I got for Christmas. And then we just take that out. If you're making soup, you can use this in your stock pot. And we just want to fold the bird out like so we can get it ready for the marinade. Okay, now you're going to want to grab your blender because we're going to mix up this awesome citrus marinade. Okay, first we're going to start with 2 cloves of garlic, tablespoon of kosher salt, and a half teaspoon of cumin. I'm going to put in 8 chiles arbol dried with the stems removed. Next we got this ACHIOTE. It's a little coloring seasoning packet. You can also get it in a paste. It looks like this. Next we've got 1 cup of fresh squeezed orange juice. Followed by the juice of 1 lime. Tablespoon and a half of soy sauce. Look at that awesome color. And then 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. We're going to go ahead and blend this up. I want to go about a minute, and we're bringing her down. Oh yeah, it smells so good. Okay, now I just placed the chicken breast side down in a deep casserole dish, and we're going to pour over a little more than half the marinade. You just want to do it slowly, kind of cover it as best you can here. Okay. Now I'm just going to cover it with some plastic wrap. And this is going to go in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. Overnight is best. And I'm going to turn this every half hour or so, so each side gets its share of being marinated. All right, I'm going to start the grill. Real easy click start. I'm going to leave it on high because we want it to get to about 400 degrees for this recipe. Okay, so we hit 400. I'm going to turn it down halfway, see if we can maintain it at 400. Let's go get our chicken. Okay, we're going to put the chicken on in the center of the grill, breast side down at first. Oh, yes. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. I'm going to take a peek, see if we're getting browned and charred, and we are. So let's give it a flip. We need to now take off the direct heat of the chicken. So we got the 2 center burners. I'm going to cut those off. And my 2 far burners, I'm going to bring that heat up probably almost to high, kind of in the middle, and I'll check my temperature in a little bit. Now we're going to just close the lid. And just keep checking it every 15 minutes or so, basting it, turning it if you like. Okay, it's been about an hour and a half. We're going to check the temperature one last time. You can see I put a piece of foil over the top of the breast to keep it from getting it too brown. And right now the breasts are not quite ready, but I checked the thighs and the drumsticks, and they are at about 163. So I'm going to take those off now, just because I don't want them to overcook. Should be able to just kind of pull them right off. Oh man, let's go make tacos. And they got the top rack here. I put my corn tortillas wrapped in foil to warm them up. And we'll come back out and pull those chicken breasts off later, but let's go make some tacos. Okay, come check it out. We're gonna cut up this chicken and eat. We're just gonna cut into the side of the thigh here, get some pieces off so we can cut them up. Oh yeah, look at that, perfectly cooked. Just kind of give it a little rough chop. Okay, let's build our taco. Get a nice size serving of chicken on here. Followed by some fine diced onions. So simple and so delicious. And then I got a little bit of cilantro to go on there. There's your taco. If you like this recipe, give it a try. And as always, like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified when we make our next video. And as always, thanks for tuning in. Little wine from the heavens. Oh man, I wish you could smell this and taste it. Make it. Man, that's good.